that this could be a sensory issue. Sensory issue basically means that the child is creating sound, because when I create a sound with a hard on a hard object, actually there will be a lot of vibration also being felt in my hands, right? Because if I'm doing on a hard one, it is going to create an impact on my hand.
Yes.
So one, it can be for the sound itself, but it can also be that this is not for sound but for more of sensory input to my hand, and which means that you have to give some sensory activities, not the touch ones, not the ones where you give him, okay, touch this, touch that. You have to give him some hard work to the hands. uh, One of the example could be handling a heavy ball, heavy medicine, we call it the medicine ball. Handling a heavy ball can be used, or you can also make him put his hands with good pressure on chana rajma kind of a box or a tray or a plate with chana rajma in it. Put the hand over it, press it down. That kind of a sensory.